Sir, if
I'm
we're going
asking
to
you,
talk
do you love
about
your
if we're
planet?
going to talk about the Lord, I ask that you search your heart again and think about
I
repenting.
searched for it very quickly. I love the
because
planet. I'm asking you,
the
do you
fossil fuel
actually
industry
care
that
about the
owns your
planet?
state is destroying the earth and the natural world, and that is a fact, sir.
You know what you got, young lady? You got a lot of noise, but you got no answers. Mr. Chairman, I yield. My
Some of the
good
most
lady.
toxic,
I'm
polluting
trying to
facilities
give you
in
the
the
floor,
world
boo.
and are killing black people.
I just want you to know that in the 4 years that I've sat on this committee, I have never seen members of Congress, Republican or Democrat, disrespect a witness in the way that I have seen them disrespect you today.